Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics with Mr. Simons. Today's lesson on calculus, we're finding first derivative, but we first have to find products. Alright, so this is the third of 6 variations. Alright, this is one of the first 3 easier problems we ask under calculus. Right, so evaluate dx given in brackets 2x minus 3 times x plus 4. So before I can differentiate, I first have to simplify and multiply out by finding the products. So there it's going to become 2x times x, 2x times 4. I'm writing my the whole process. Minus 3 times x minus 3 times 4. So that will give me 2x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 12. And the two middle ones are always like terms. So 8 minus 3 would then give me 5x, right? So they have 2x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 12. Right, and that simplifies to 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. Right, so you should be able to go from there straight to here, but I just showed you the whole process as a refresher. Now if I differentiate, because my equation is simplified, I can differentiate. There's no x as a denominator, right? So that will become 2 times 2, 2 minus 1. 1 times 5, 1 minus 1, and a constant becomes 0. Right, so that becomes 2 times 2, 2 minus 1, 1 times 5. And 12 is a constant, so that becomes 0. So my final answer here would be 4x plus 5. So there's my final answer. Next problem. Right, so the next problem we have evaluate d of x bracket x half minus 3 times 2x half plus 4. Right, so whenever we want to give you a scare and so on, we always include fractions. Somehow you'll get scared of fractions and make dumb errors, but it's simple. We're multiplying the first term here with both terms there, and then the second term with both terms there, right? So let's see if we can do that. Right, so you can see there x half times 2x half times 4. Negative times positive becomes negative. 3 times 2 x half. Negative times positive, negative 3 times 4. Right? So from there, now we have to simplify. Right, so 1 times 2 stays 2. X half times x half, denominators are not denominators, the bases are the same, so we add the exponents. Half plus half, which then gives me x to the power 1. 4 times x half simply becomes 4x to the power half. There 3 times 2 is 6, x to the power half with the negative staying in front. And then 3 times 4 is 12. Right, now my equation is simplified, but I can simplify the like terms further. So 4 minus 6 should give me negative 2. Right. So we have simplified 2x minus 2x half minus 12. Right, and from there now my equation is in simplest form, so I can differentiate. Right, so if I differentiate, I have 1 times 2, 1 minus 1. Half times negative 2, half minus 1. And a constant, first derivative of constant equals 0. So 2 times 1 is 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So that answer would simply stay 2. Negative 2 times half would give me negative 1. Half minus 1 would give me minus half. Alright? So my final answer, 2 minus 1 x negative half. Right? So there we differentiate by finding products first. Just the 2, but it's the rules and the basics you need to understand and know. Wish you nothing but the best. Bye.